Hi, Emerson Eagles. This is another video to show you some things that you can be doing during the summer to keep learning and exercising your brain, even though we're not going to be in school. So the thing we're going to look at today is called Sheppard Software. And Sheppard Software has a ton of different learning games that you can play on your own or with others in your home. Okay, so the best way to access this, you could Google Sheppard Software if you want to get to the website. You can also use our class website to get there, and I will show you how to do that now. So on our class website, which will be linked below this video, you're going to want to scroll over to the other section. Okay, so we have our reading section, writing, math, science, social studies, and then over here we have other. To scroll over that, you can press the arrow key to go that direction, but you can also use the scroll bar on the bottom of the screen like this. Okay, so in the other section, there's a lot of different things like Seattle Public Schools TV, Freckle, Mind Yeti, Go Noodle, a resource to talk about feelings, art lessons, and way down here at the bottom, we have Sheppard Software. You can go ahead and click on that. It looks like Facebook, but it's not. It is Sheppard Software. Once you open that up, you're going to see a bunch of different options for types of games you could play. Okay, it's totally up to you what type of game you want to look at. There's lots and lots of different things to play. Okay. So for example, if you want to learn more about world geography, which means like where places are around the country, you can click here. Then you can click on specific places. Maybe you want to learn more about Mexico. Okay. On the page about Mexico, you can learn about the capitals, states, and the landscape of Mexico. Also in this section, there is tutorials, which will tell you more about those places. You can click the word play to hear more. Okay, so here on this page, it says Mexican Geographic Regions, Learning Level. You can scroll down and click on these different things.
California.
To learn more about specific places. So by clicking on Baja California, I can see that it highlights Baja California.
Baja California.
Maybe I want to know, where is the Sierra Madre Oriental?
Sierra Madre Oriental.
Is there.
Sierra Madre Oriental.
Okay. This is a way to learn more about the different places here in Mexico.
Isthmus of Tehuantepec.
While you have a certain place selected, you can read more about that place over here in this part. Okay, this is just one way to explore different places if you're curious about them. Okay, let's look at some other examples of things you can do on this website. So back here on the home screen, you have lots of different things you click. Maybe you want to play some math games. In the math section, you can see there's lots and lots of different games that you can play. So up here, we can read this title, Basic Operations. Learn basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So all of these games in this section are going to be about those basic operations. If you scroll down even more, it says Mixed Operations, where it will combine addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, fractions, decimals, percentages, place value, telling time, money, early math, geometry, measurement, algebra. There are so many options. Something that we worked on this year, especially when we were out of school, was geometry. So maybe you want to work more on shapes and learning about shapes. Okay, one thing that we talked about in our lessons here online was quadrilaterals. So maybe you want to learn more about quadrilaterals. It says, review this quadrilateral shape splat geometry arcade game. Tell us what you think. So this is a game that you can play. Here's a quick reminder of what a quadrilateral is: square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, and trapezoid. Okay, at the top it says click the quadrilaterals. Well, we know a quadrilateral is something with 4 sides. So we're going to look for all the shapes with 4 sides. I wouldn't want to click on the triangle that opens. Nope, I wouldn't want to click on that because that one doesn't have 4 sides. Okay. So you can keep playing by clicking next and keep going, but this is just one of a bunch of different things that you can do on this website. Okay, if you want to go back to the home page, another thing that you could do is learn about animals. Okay, on this page it tells you sometimes how many games are in each section, so what kind of animal. You know that there's 5 games there. You can click on that and learn about ocean animals, American forest animals, African grassland animals, African river animals, and backyard animals. It's totally up to you which one you want to try. Okay. And so this website is a really great way to explore a lot of different topics, different ideas, and play games about all of those different ideas. I definitely recommend using this website, maybe just when you're bored, or if you just want to play some games on the computer that are also educational. Maybe if you've been playing a lot of video games and you need to do something else that's not video games but still fun, you can try some of these learning games. It's just a great way to keep your brain engaged and learning during the summers by using Sheppard software. So again, you can access that through our class website, which I will link down below this video. So make sure that you check that out and use as many of those resources as you want. All right, second graders, I hope that you are having a great summer, that you're keeping your brain strong and also spending lots of time outside and spending time with your families.